Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Today we are going to perform an activity showing how letters are delivered from one place to another. In this activity, we will know about the persons who are involved in sending the letters from your place to some other places that are far away. Here are some students who have written letters to their friends. Come, let's have a quick on their letters.
Hi, my name is Arushi. I have written this letter to my friend Aisha. Hi, my name is Aisha. I have written this letter to my friend Arushi. Hi, my name is Ali. I have written this letter to my friend Paras.
Can you show your letters? Very good. Now all these students will post their letters in the letter boxes one by one. All the letters are posted by everybody. So the next thing that comes into the process is the arrival of the postman.
Hi, I am a postman. My work is to collect the letter from letter box and send them to the post office.
Now the postman reaches to the post office and hand over the letters to the post manager, where all these letters are stamped. And are carried away by the parcel man.
Hi, I am a parcel man and I will carry these letters to the station.
Now the train will move from one city to another, where it will hand over all the letters to the post office of that particular city. Now all the letters are assigned by the person in the post office according to the places where they have to go. Again, a postman reaches to the post office, take all the respected letters with him and send the letters to their places. These beautiful letter boxes were made by these students. A huge round of applause for these students.